PM Narendra Modi accused the previous Congress government of pursuing a lackadaisical approach that forced people to spend their entire energy on fulfilling basic needs while being deprived of achieving bigger goals. The opposition weighed in on government during passage of the bill to restore to the state the right to draw up state OBC list, asserting the centre is rectifying through the proposed amendment a gross error it committed earlier, which resulted in an adverse Supreme Court ruling. It's been only 3 days since Neeraj Chopra's historic gold-winning effort at the Tokyo Olympics and barely 24 hours after his arrival in India. But the country's star javelin thrower has already set his sight on his next target, the World Championship title next year. Ahead of the reopening of local trains for those fully vaccinated on August 15, the state government has let down SOPs that allow only monthly season passes to be issued to them. Setting aside the government's notification to hold a CET for FYJC admissions, the Bombay High Court on Tuesday said the state acted contrary to the provisions of the Maharashtra Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Boards Act 1965 and its rule. With the security situation in Afghanistan continuously worsening, the government has strongly advised Indians to make travel arrangements for their return before commercial air services are halted. Upset over absenteeism by some BJP members from Rajya Sabha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday asked for the names of those party MPs who were not present in the House when voting for a statutory resolution moved by several opposition MPs was held, source said. Leading the party polls preparation for assembly elections due to early next year, PM Narendra Modi has sought feedback from the common men from each constituencies of the 5 poll-bound states on various issues, including performance of the state governments and also the elected representatives. The aim behind the constitutional amendment to restore state rights to draw OBC lists is to ensure backward classes get their due as a part of BJP's bid to build a Samras Samaj, where non-reserved sections also benefited for an EWS quota, said Environmental Minister Bhupendra Yadav. Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif were spotted attending the special screening of Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani's star Shershah today.